Welcome to the virtual tour of Flasham Hall. This is Team Maverick. My name is Satish Bhatt. I'll be showing you the structural overview of Flasham Hall. This is the left entrance. We are coming towards the right entrance. The green door is the entrance to this building. This is the top view. We'll be going towards the back end of the Flasham Hall. I'll zoom out to give you a good picture. Again, the top view. Now we'll be going towards the right entrance of Flasham Hall. The green door is the entrance. Flasham Hall is located at the northeast corner of UMKC Island. Now we'll be seeing how to teleport to different places. I'm coming towards the right entrance of Flasham Hall. I'll click on the door. It will give me a note card describing the details of Flasham Hall. This is the note card. Once I enter, on the right side I see a menu object. I click on that object. I get a dialog box. I select labs. It gives me dynamic arrows. When I sit on this chair, it teleports me to the computer labs. Previously we saw how to teleport within Flasham Hall. Now we will be seeing how to teleport outside of Flasham Hall to places like the library, smart classroom, and different other places. Here we again have a menu box. We click on the menu box. We get options. I select smart classroom. It gives me the dynamic arrows. I choose to sit on this chair by right clicking it, and it takes me to the smart classroom. This is the smart classroom. In this section we'll be seeing about interactive web interface. This is the UMKC website. Say I'll type link academic. What this will do is it will send the page to the server, backend server. It will parse the whole page and find out the link for academic from that page and return it and display it on the prim. Now I'll type back to go back to the main page. Likewise, I'll again type link athletic, and it will take me to the athletics page. Now if you want to set a page, what you do is you type set. I'll type here rediff.com. So it takes me to the Rediff page. So now I'll set it to say Google. And it will take me to the Google page. Basically the server at the back end is a C# code which parses the page, finds the particular link and displays it to you. Here it displayed me about Google. This is the about Google page. The parsing is basically done using regular expressions. It's basic parsing. I'll type back, go back to Rediff. I'll type back again. goes back to the uh, athletic space. This shows that we have a complete history. In this section, we'll be seeing a fire exit demo. I'm come back to the main entrance. I click on the object, I get a menu, I select the fire exit demo. This creates a chain of events that trigger off a fire. As you can see, the fire has been generated. You can see green objects. These objects are the agents. The agents are moving towards the nearest exit, and what the avatars have to do is just follow these agents towards the exit. Uh, these agents have been dynamically generated based on the fire event. Whenever there is a fire, these agents will be created. As you can see, they are taking me towards the south exit, and now I'm out of danger.